Want to take control of your business finances with Odoo? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up and manage Odoo Accounting, step by step. Whether you're an accountant or a small business owner, this guide will make managing your numbers a breeze. Let's get started. Let's start with setting up Odoo Accounting. First, head to the accounting module and configure the basics. Set your fiscal year, choose your default currency. Add chart of accounts. Odoo includes pre-built ones for your region. Next, define your sales and purchase taxes. Bank journals for each business account, company info for invoices and reporting. Odoo keeps it structured and localized. Now, let's talk about creating and sending invoices. Go to Customers. Invoices. Create. Choose your customer, add products or services. Set payment terms. Click Confirm, then send by email. You can also auto-send recurring invoices and customize invoice templates in just a few clicks. Moving further to recording vendor bills, head to Vendors Bills, create, enter your supplier, invoice number, and due date. Odoo automatically posts it to the right expense account. Now we move to reconciling bank transactions. Next, bank reconciliation, a key feature for accuracy. Go to Accounting. Reconciliation. Import bank statements manually or via automatic sync. Match them with invoices or expenses. Confirm the reconciliation in one click. After this, we will be generating financial reports. Odoo offers powerful, real-time financial reports, profit and loss balance sheet, aged receivables and payables, tax reports. You can schedule, print, or export these in just a few clicks. Perfect for tax time or investor updates. Bonus: tips for staying compliant. Set lock dates to prevent editing closed periods. Use user access levels to protect sensitive data. Stay updated with Odoo's latest tax regulations per region. Compliance made simple. And that's it! You've now got a complete view of how to use Odoo Accounting to streamline invoicing, expenses, reconciliation, and reporting. Need help with setup or migration? Drop your questions in the comments. Like if this helped you, subscribe for more Odoo how-to videos.